Have you ever wondered why Arizona was one of the last states to recognize Martin Luther King Jr. Day as a holiday? Let's delve into this intriguing chapter of history. The initial resistance in Arizona towards recognizing this holiday was quite profound. The state's stance was embodied by Governor Evan Mecham, who assumed office in 1987. Mecham, in a move that reflected his controversial tenure, rescinded the holiday recognition that his predecessor had put in place. He argued that the previous governor had overstepped his authority in declaring the day a state holiday. This action was perceived by many as a stark rejection of the civil rights movement and the legacy of Martin Luther King Jr. himself. It was a decision that would not only impact the people of Arizona, but would resonate throughout the nation. This decision sparked outrage not only in Arizona, but throughout the United States. So, how did a statewide decision turn into a national issue? Well, when Arizona refused to acknowledge Martin Luther King Jr. Day as a holiday, public figures and organizations across the nation decided to take a stand. One of the most prominent actions was the National Football League's decision to move the 1993 Super Bowl from Arizona to California, a clear statement against the ongoing controversy. This wasn't just a symbolic gesture. Arizona felt the sting in its economy and tourism sector. The state was estimated to have lost hundreds of millions of dollars due to the relocation of the Super Bowl alone. Hotels, restaurants, and local businesses suffered as tourists and football fans chose other destinations. The boycott rippled through various sectors, causing significant financial distress and drawing national attention to the issue at hand. The boycott was a powerful demonstration of the economic and social consequences of racial inequality. And it showed the world that the fight for equality could and would be fought on all fronts. But how did Arizona finally come to recognize Martin Luther King Jr. Day? The answer lies in the power of democracy. In 1992, Arizona residents were given the opportunity to voice their opinion in a voter referendum. The decision to be made was significant, whether to recognize Martin Luther King Jr. Day as a public holiday. This was not merely about a day off work or school, but a statement on racial equality, a recognition of a man who fought tirelessly for civil rights. And so, the people of Arizona spoke. They voted in favor of recognizing the day, showcasing a shift in public sentiment towards racial equality. This decision, a landmark moment in Arizona's history, symbolized the state's journey from resistance to acceptance of civil rights. Arizona's journey to recognizing Martin Luther King Jr. Day tells a compelling story of resistance, boycotts, and ultimately, acceptance.